What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. Let me see. We're looking dumping here. We don't have any gaps to really work with either, so we just gotta wait. No gaps really. So let's wait for a setup to form here. Or we could reverse and take out go up these for value gaps. Damn, my lucky 7. Let me see ES. Okay. ES took out the London low. So ES is a bit ahead. We do have a bullish SMT here because NQ hasn't taken out this London low. ES is also low-key trying to flip from red to green. Do we have any news today? Let me make sure. Okay, we have no news today. Fear and greed index is at greed. Alright, we are chilling. I mean, higher time frame, we are relatively bullish. You know, even going up. This could just be a pullback, taking on these liquidities to go back up. I wouldn't say we're bearish just yet, because we haven't had any market structure shift. This honestly just looks like a pullback, so I do expect this to go higher here. Which our entry would honestly have to be up here, because if we take this for value gap, we have this for value gap right above it. So I mean, if we do sell off, we continue to sell off. We don't really have any setups, so we'd have to wait for one to be created. Got this for value gap here. Let's check out this other liquidity. Let me see ES. Yeah, ES does not want to go down. It really, really does not want to go down. And we do have a bullish SMT as long as NQ doesn't take out Sun and low. If NQ takes out the Sun and low, then we don't have the bullish SMT anymore. But I mean, we still are bullish either way. If let's see. Yeah, I just think we're so bullish, bro. I think we're going for the London. Thing is, we have no entry into shorts, so unless we get a retracement, but I don't really like taking retracement trades that much. Alright, we just took out the London low, so we don't really have an SMT anymore. Well, actually, yeah, we're dumping. Okay, we just took out both of these levels on ES, so let's see how we react. I want to see us do a reversal. Where's the view up? Okay. $30, 40, 75. I want to see us reverse here. Hopefully we get it. We don't have an SMT anymore, but you know, yes, check out the level as well.
You used to go low?
Yep.
Up to 55.
Come on, let's get that reversal.
355 is nuts. Very strong level liquidity.
I mean, if we pump up here, we have to pump up about 120 points, so this would be a pretty good confirmation into longs. Yeah, we just have no entries into shorts though, so we really need longs to happen if we want to set up. What is that?
What?
I hear something playing. Is that like a video?
Just
It's what?
nah, it's just this little dude.
I'm going for more liquidities.
We're about to take out an Angel Low.
Yeah, 28. We missed it by 2 ticks. Come on, reverse. We need buyers to step in like yesterday.
I don't know. I don't really want longs, but whatever. I'll take it.
Longs look so much better.
If we do take longs, is we want that
I'm just gonna delete this for now because obviously we're a bit away.
higher time frame looks really bullish.
I mean, we could be getting that displacement to go be going lower. But I don't know. I mean, this is a really big, crazy candle. Almost
I
on.
think we want to go back to Agawad.
The week opening gap. That's all the way 676.
Yeah, I know.
29.6. It's off 400 points.
Yep. Possible. I've seen it.
We gotta stop selling like this, man. Oh my, dude. Yeah, we're getting a lot of displacement to the downside. It's just that we don't have any entries, bro. The only entry we have is at 864, and that's fucking like 140 points away. And at that point, we've already sold off. Let me see, since 9:30, like 320 points. If we do see that. Oh shit, bro.
864, you said?
Yeah. It's a 5-minute gap.
Well, the problem is that we could use a retracement.
We haven't got a retracement. We're just dumping.
Yeah, I know.
That's
Sure,
the
we
issue.
could though, like, you know what I'm saying? Like right here, we close this gap, we go up, and then we price target the fair value gap.
Oh, that red to green was crazy. I mean, we're expected for a pullback.
First green candle, market open.
I don't think this is a reversal. I think this is a pullback. Glad I got a green to red. All we wanted was that pullback. I mean, shorts off this gap isn't that bad. Definitely not the best, but it's okay.
I want to see a reaction off that level.
36 points. Yeah, we just got a green to red flip. Alright, we gotta take a 954. Then we have 948 right above it, or below it. Yeah, as long as it's low-key ugly now. Dude, we'd have to pump up 200 points. So fuck that, bro. Let's get shorts at this point, I guess. Yeah, getting a lot of displacement. Next liquidity at 948. See if we take this out. Should be able to easily right there. Just take it out. Alright, we're getting closer to the gap here. Let's start marking out this gap.
Let's see this move.
864. Hold on. 86475. Yes, this is a red candle. So.
My goodness.
What?
Green to red. Red to green.
Target. I mean, we have this big target right here, the new week opening gap, so we should be able to see that today. Since we're selling off so much, we have so much selling pressure.
Pretty good price target for this gap. That's 864.
Yeah, it's like almost
60
40,
points.
almost 40 points. No, because we have a liquidity at 826. Liquidity 826, 818, and 805. Red to green. Let me see. Yes. How many points have we sold off already? Since market open, we sold off 255 points. That's crazy. And we didn't have a single entry, bro. Let's see where the market wants to go here. Getting a lot of buying pressure, but we have this gap, and then we have another gap, and then we have another gap, and then these gaps don't matter that much. I want us to sell off, to be honest. So many gaps.
See the view up at 142.
Yeah. The thing is, we have all these gaps above us, so it's like can't really work with anything here. If we do pump up, I think we're gonna inverse this first one and then bounce off the second one. That's normally what happens when we have gaps stacked on each other like this. And then we can't even take a retracement because liquidity is all the way down here.
Maybe we do get something in my size back.
like longs, bro, we gotta pump all the way to 185.
Say 125.
185. Oops. Dude, we have this gap right above us. We just inverse this gap. Alright, we just inverse this gap, tapped into the next one.
Up, bro.
Yeah, I like this buying pressure we're getting, I'm not gonna lie. If we don't bounce off this one, I mean, we should be pretty good
Yo, where are my glasses?
in US. Where's VWAP?
173.
Okay, so we're good.
No, 139, my bad. Oh my gosh.
What?
I don't think I'm gonna be fast enough, bro.
For what, longs?
Huh?
For longs?
Yes.
But how are you not fast enough? You got that, bro. If we don't bounce off this, then we should be super good for longs. Oh my gosh, what the hell am I doing? That's if we don't bounce off this. Just go break even on this next gap. Yeah, so like I said, if I mean we're most probably gonna bounce off this gap into lower if we do go lower. So we either pump up here, inverse this gap, and we go higher, or we reject off this gap and go lower. That's normally what happens when we have stacked up like for value gaps stacked on each other like that. It'll inverse the first one and then go to the second one and bounce off of it.
That's crazy.
That's what it normally does. I mean, if anything, this is good for shorts too. Start selling off. To the fair value gap below us. Take that.
Negated all that buying pressure.
We can get it right back. Let me see ES. I haven't looked at ES. ES did inverse the gap. Thing is, we need to inverse now because if we don't, I'm not gonna take this because it turns into a 15-minute fair value gap, and we can easily bounce off this 15-minute into lower. So we're getting a lot of selling right now. So looks like we might be going for lower. Like I said, we were gonna bounce off this stupid gap. This gap. 948. Out of the from red to green.
Hmm?
Flipped from red to green. Yes.
They're just so bullish.
Yeah.
Even like in the world space, I think we're bullish.
I mean, yeah, but like we just had so much displacement to that outside.
Discussing this for what?
Hmm.
Discussing what?
Displacement to the downside. Yeah. So if we're not able to inverse like in the next minute or two, I mean, I guess until this candle closes, I'm gonna take that next inverse because this is gonna turn into a 15-minute gap and it could look just reject off of it. Alright. See what we do.
I think you should size lighter.
I should size lighter.
Bigger stop. The way we're moving.
I don't think we're moving that crazy, to be honest.
Like crazy.
Hmm?
It's just an 80-point pullback.
I mean, I don't know. It doesn't even look like a pullback to me. I think we're gonna go lower. I don't think we're gonna go up. I mean, if we do go up, then at this rate, though, it doesn't look like I'm gonna take the setup. So we're about to turn it into a 15-minute for value gap, and I'm not gonna take a 5-minute inverse. That's in a 15. Yeah, 1 minute until 10 a.m. and then this for value gap turns into a 15-minute. So we're getting a lot of buying here, though.
VWAP is at 124 now. So like right around that.
Alright, I'm gonna do a 55-point stop. 4 contracts. Yeah, look, now we turn into. I'm not gonna take this setup.
Hmm?
I'm gonna wait for the next fair value gap. Cause now this gap is a 15-minute. It's like too risky. It's not worth it. And then ES also has a
There's
15-minute.
also a VWAP on top. VWAP at entry.
Yeah, like the setup is just too risky. Doesn't look good to me. Like there's so many things like against it. I'm gonna wait for the next inverse. just tapped into the 15-minute on ES and NQ. Or we just actually ripped through it on ES. So don't gotta worry about fair value gaps on ES. This 5-minute on NQ now is inside of a 15 minutes, so I'm just not gonna take that. I'm gonna wait for 185. 185.50. Let's see. ES is low-key pumping. It's good here. The midpoint of the 15-minute is at the entry of the 5-minute. We also have a view up at the 5-minute. It's too risky, bro.
The price target is like fucking 30 points. Risky.
Not even. It's not even.
Risking $300 million for get $1.
The 5-minute fair value gap that's right above is 27 points, and then including our late entry, because we wait for the hold, you're basically getting 20 points. It's not really worth it. Should get a clean setup. Oh, look, and then if you wait for the fair value gap above, you have a almost 40-point price target, 39 points.
I'm gonna show you, bro.
But
Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna take. 186. That's the best setup today. I don't know, if we don't get that one, I don't know.
I mean, shorts is pretty good too if we get the inverse, but it's pretty far right now.
I don't got time for it to wait that long, bro. I gotta leave to freaking. Nah.
But everyone's gonna get their lead, bro. Everyone always gets lead.
I wonder how they're getting it.
They're probably like grouping with a car. I don't know.
Looping?
Grouping.
Larping?
Alright, bro. Yeah, they're larping. Like it's their car and shit. They're taking their parents' car.
Dude, the little minivan that was on the highway.
Exactly, bro. That's them.
Dude, I'm surprised that thing didn't spin out, bro. You saw the way that thing was shaking.
People didn't know how to drive.
Holy crap. 2 VWAPs. Oh.
2 view ups. Yeah, we have a view up at 129. That's what our view up is.
This shouldn't be a problem.
Oh, yo. Maybe. Am I tripping? Oh. Okay, I have a second. I thought that's a 30,000 volume in one candle. So that's nuts. We still do have pretty. We still have like high volume. It's like 16, 15K a candle. It's pretty good. Come on, market, do something. I mean, ES is moving pretty good.
I have to pick up 2 more people.
You don't have to.
I do, bro.
Why?
Because the last, like, I don't know. And they don't have cars. You know, like 7. Kind of have to, bro.
Bro. You gotta charge him, bro.
I am.
Yo, we are dumping.
I said, I'm gonna need a little bit of gas, man.
Dude, gas is so fucking expensive right now.
They actually live close. Like Westland, you know, that's like right where I live.
It's not that far, bro.
It's not that far. 20 miles is not far.
Hey, you still have a lot of time, bro. She's at 3 o'clock. Finally fucking doing something. So we rejected off the 50-minute for Valley Gap and the 5-minute. Okay, nice. This is what I wanted to see. I want us to actually fucking move now. So
How much, 5 and 5?
what?
5 and 5?
What?
Oh,
What?
gas man? Oh,
How much is gas?
like, should I, like, charge 5?
I mean, probably should charge like. There's 2 people, probably like $5 each.
Bro, I'll give you 6 and Hector will give you 7.
Fuck it, bro. That's a steal, bro.
6 and 7, bro. That's crazy.
3 gallons probably be like 60 miles worth of gas. It's like 3 gallons, so.
I really want new tires, bro. I think
Oh, what?
new tires, bro.
Bro, your tire. There's nothing wrong with your tires.
I think I lost selling.
Yeah. ES is low key going down. Did news come out or something? We dumping. Because we don't have to worry about VWAP. Shorts look so much better. I just hope we do something, bro. Honestly, just sell off. For gas?
No, like he just sent me $20. What the, yo,
Hey, fuck.
look.
Yo, fuck it, bro.
What the hell? Yo, I'm gonna drive over there with premium gas, bro.
Bruh. This guy, man. That's for the mileage you're putting in your car. It's like Uber, bro. What's the price of oil right now? $89. So why the fuck is gas so expensive? I mean, okay, we could take the inverse off this 5 minute, but like, that's if it holds. It looks like we might destroy it right now. I don't know. I just don't. Like sellers don't look like strong. I don't know.
Holding above the daily low, which is at 993, so we're actually still bullish. So this is actually means nothing.
993.
Yep.
What, the 5 minute inverse?
Literally.
Huh?
It's actually at 948.
No, the inverse that's at 34.
No, that's not what I meant. I meant like we're holding above the 948 level. So
Yeah. What do you think about these longs?
no. Wait, long word.
At 34. The fair value gap we just created.
Personally, I don't like this range.
Yeah.
I want more of a breakout, like a more of an actual buy, not just like a we just pumped above this fair value gap and we caught it. I want like an actual buy this.
We're getting some selling. A little bit.
What you know about rolling?
Come on, bro. Can we stop?
What?
This market's just not doing shit, man. Gotta move. What about an inverse this 5 minute? Voodoo pump up. There you go. Just inversed it. I would take it, but Loki, you are right with that. This range is not nice.
Lock in,
And this is pumping.